What's going on? Welcome to the Income Lounge. So today the Electroneum mobile miner has finally been released, and I'm going to be talking about how profitable it is to be mining Electroneum on your mobile devices, and also if you should be investing in Electroneum and if I think it's going to be going up or down in the long term. So we've been anticipating the mobile miner coming out for months now. It was actually supposed to come out when Electroneum released, I think back in October or November, something like that. So that was a long time ago. But they had some problems with releasing the mobile miner at the time. But now it is actually finally released, which is pretty cool. And I've actually used the app myself. I was going to make a video on how to mine it, but it's actually really simple. So I don't think anyone is going to have trouble doing it. All you got to do is download the Electroneum app, sign in, and then you literally press start mining and it starts mining. So we're going to be talking about more of that later, but let's talk about the price of Electroneum. So let's refresh CoinMarketCap. So Electroneum did go up by a bit. I can't even find it. Where's Electroneum? Okay, so it did have a little bit of a price spike after the mobile miner was released, but then it kind of went back down to where it was at. So pretty much the price didn't change much, which I would say is kind of a bad sign, since something so big as the mobile miner came out. I would have expected the price to skyrocket a little bit more than that, but I guess that didn't happen. So honestly, for the long term of Electroneum, I'm not really sure about it. It's been going sideways for the last month or so. And honestly, I don't really know too much about Electroneum and if you should invest or not. But nevertheless, let's talk about mining and if you should mine. So first thing, so yeah, as you guys can see, they did big announcement. The mobile miner is now live. That was about 13 hours ago. Actually, this is not refreshed, I don't think. Okay, yeah, it is. So 13 hours ago, the mobile miner is now live. Please download from the Android Play Store. So this is only on Android for now. If it goes on the Apple Store, the App Store, I think it's going to be a little bit more popular. But also, obviously, Android. A lot of people use Android, so it does take. It does target most of the people, I would say. Okay, so if we press, I just want to show you guys something. Okay, the FAQ here, right? I want to show you guys something. So technically, okay, it's not written here. I don't know where it is, but I just want to tell you guys that Electroneum does not actually mine on your mobile device. What it is simulated mining. So what it is it's as if you're mining. So what it does is it checks how much CPU power it could be using, but it doesn't actually use your CPU power. So your phone's not going to be getting hot or using a shit ton of battery or like data or anything like that. But it's just going to be simulating actually mining. So you guys don't really have to worry about breaking your phone or anything like that. And the cool part about it also is that you can mine in the background. The thing that's really bad is that right now, at least, the profits are pretty bad, okay? They're pretty bad at the moment, at least. But what Electroneum has said is they're going to be kind of fixing this. I think they're going to be giving us more Electroneum. They're going to start increasing the payouts, since they said that they want mobile miners to get at least a few US dollars per month. So it depends on your phone, right? Better phones are going to get more hash rate. But I tried it on my phone. I tried it on a Samsung Galaxy S6, which is a decent phone. Obviously, there's a lot better phones than that. But I was getting, I would say, I was getting around 29 hashes a second. And if you calculate that, that's 4 cents a day, 31 cents a week, and $1.31 a month, and $16 a year, which is pretty bad, guys. It's not the worst thing ever because this is technically 100% free money. It is running in the background, so it is a very small passive income if you think about it. If you think about it, you can buy like a few cheeseburgers every year if you keep that running. Especially if you have multiple phones. I actually have around 20 phones, guys, because I also do. I run Swagbucks apps and stuff, and might make a quite a good passive income on the side. So I might actually start running this on all the phones if the profitability goes higher. But we're just gonna have to see in the next coming days what happens with the profitability for the mobile miner, and also this what to mine site. And these calculators are not really 100% accurate, so you can't really base base it off that. It kind of depends on a lot of things. But yeah, I think this is definitely a good thing for Electroneum. I'm not really sure what's going to happen with the price in the future. There's a lot of YouTubers and stuff saying that Electroneum is going to go like $10 in 2018. Honestly, guys, I do not believe that it's going to go that high. But I think long-term Electroneum could be good, and I think this is a good place to buy. It's not too low. It's not too high at the moment. I think it'll definitely go back up to the highs of around 20 cents or so. I think that is definitely a possibility. And if you guys do want to start mining some Electroneum on your mobile device, I would say do so if you want to. But for now, just to let you guys know, the profitability is pretty bad at the moment. Let me know how many hashes you guys are getting on the mobile miner. Let's say if you have a much better phone than mine. Let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy S8 or one of the really good phones. Then tell me how many hashes you're getting. I'd be pretty interested to know that. Yeah, because I'm pretty curious about that. Right now I'm getting around 29 hashes. And the cool thing is, like I already said, is that it runs in the background. So yeah, that's pretty much all my opinions on the Electroneum miner. As you guys can see, you can get it on the Android App Store. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think and if you're going to be mining or not with this miner. Definitely subscribe and leave this video a like if you guys enjoyed. Entrepreneurship and cryptocurrency videos uploaded every single day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.